Tired of opening your kitchen cabinets and feeling like everything is about to fall on you? What if I told you that with a few smart hacks, you can double your storage space without spending much? Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into smart kitchen storage hacks that will make your cooking space more organized, easier to use, and stress-free. These tips are practical, budget-friendly, and perfect for both small and large kitchens. Practical suggestions: 1. Use vertical space with shelf risers. Instead of stacking plates and bowls on top of each other, use shelf risers. They create extra layers so you can store more without clutter. 2. Simple metal or plastic risers. Available at home stores. Quick tip: a riser costs around $5 to $10, while buying new cabinets could cost hundreds. 2. Pull-out baskets for cabinets. Install wire or plastic pull-out baskets inside deep cabinets. This way, nothing gets lost at the back. 2. Pull-out baskets with sliders. Easy to install with screws. Quick tip: they cost about $15 to $25, much cheaper than renovating your kitchen. 3. Magnetic strips for knives and utensils. Free up drawer space by sticking a magnetic strip on your wall to hold knives, scissors, or even metal spice tins. 2. Magnetic wall strip. Easy to mount with adhesive or screws. Quick tip: a strip costs around $10, but it saves you the space of an entire drawer. 4. Clear jars and labels for pantry items. Switch to transparent jars for pasta, rice, and spices. Add labels so you always know what's inside. 2. Glass or plastic jars. Label stickers or tape. Quick tip: buying a set of jars for $20 helps you avoid wasting food by keeping track of expiry dates. 5. Hooks under cabinets or shelves. Install small hooks under cabinets to hang mugs, spoons, or measuring cups. This turns unused space into storage. 2. Self-adhesive hooks or screw-in hooks. Quick tip: a pack of hooks costs less than $5, compared to buying a separate mug rack for $20 or more. With these smart kitchen storage hacks, you'll enjoy more space, less clutter, and a much easier cooking experience without spending a fortune. Try them today and see the difference in your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more home improvement ideas.